Hello, Dennis Kelderman with Cessna Structures here today. I'm demonstrating a couple of different products. One that I just heard of myself. After being a number of years in the industry, I caught my eye on someone who was one day putting a little dab of something on his apex tip to get a screw out. What's that? And lo and behold, it was just regular old grinding compound. Now, I've used this in both fine and coarse. That's the way they're marketed. We often call this lapping compound, used for grinding in valves, lapping in valves, but very common. I've had, as bad as this tube looks, it's a display of how little it takes to get the job done. Had this around a long time. Well, in my gathering materials today for this video, I was mentioning to a mechanic friend what I was going to be demonstrating, and he says, hey, we don't use that anymore. We've got something even better than that. So not to promote a product, but this is what the shop is using presently to help extract screws, and it's called EasyGrip, and I'm not sure exactly what it means, but it says specially formulated and tested for use on aircraft. And the company that produces this is Holt International. Well, we're going to demonstrate it today. I've got a couple stubborn Phillips head screws here, and my choices are this. I can use an easy out, drill through that and make a real mess, or I can try my best to get it out while I still have a good head on the screw. And so let's go ahead. We'll dig this area out. Make sure we got all the paint out. We know that these screws have been in place for a long time. I'm digging this out with a pick. Lots of times people use hook scribes. You got to get one that you like yourself, when you're comfortable with. We'll put a little bit of, we'll just try them both. On this one, we'll use the grinding compound. It doesn't take very much. That grinding compound will, even if the screw is partially gutted, will produce enough friction there, allows the screw to be broken loose. Now I'll go ahead and clean that off. Of course, you want to have a new condition apex tip when you try this. We'll try some of this new product. I know one of the differences between the two is the grinding compound has an oil base to it. That is a suspension product, and the other does not have an oil base. Of course, we know oil is a lubricant, so there may be an advantage to this other product that doesn't use oil. So we'll give her a try. Okay, very good. Okay, there you have just some very simple ideas on how to get a stubborn screw out using grinding compound or this new product called EasyGrip. Thanks. If you have any structural concerns at all, give us a call at the Structures team line, which is 316-517-6061, or give us an email at csstructures@txtav.com. Thank you.